These are neat. These are smart tags. These work with Apple Find My. They come in the 4-pack. They have a attachment here, like a key ring, and they also have a little spot here to open it up so you can replace the battery really easily. I already connected mine, connected completely fine with the Find My iPhone app. So you can see it works on the normal Find My. If I hit the play my sound here it works. You can also just use the directions. So everything that's in Find My, this thing works just like a normal Apple product. It also fits inside of, so I have like an Apple Airtag here, but this fits in there just like the Apple Airtag. And the thing I like about this is that it will play the sound, because we have these on our remotes, because we always lose our remotes, and it'll play the sound. So it'll, we'll be able to find it, as well as use the directions, to also find it as well. So yeah, this is pretty cool. They work fine. Don't see any issues with them. This is the AirTag itself, or I'm sorry, Smart Tag, and definitely a good option.